Hey kids.
Hey guys, welcome back to Broke People's Guide.
Wait guys.
Oh, he said wait. So today's video is going to be really quick. If you are too broke to get curtain rods, I'm going to show you how to put up your curtains for cheap. All you need is like 2 nails and a trusty hammer. Or if you don't have a hammer, just use anything hard that you can bang on the wall. Use a deodorant. And if you don't even have curtains, you can just use anything. Use a towel. That's what I did before I had curtains. And it's actually really good because it keeps the light up. But you guys know that already, right?
Look, I got a new championship. Yeah.
Ooh, Eli got a new championship belt, dude. I don't know if you guys remember from my blinds video. The blinds that I took out were on top. So we're just gonna cover it up. Cause who the hell has time or money to do drywall repair? Not me. But when I do, I'll do a video.
They can't see, they can only see me. Thank you.
So we're just gonna go like next to this hole, I think, because it doesn't matter. And I'm not gonna put it straight in. I'm gonna do it like that. And then here we're just gonna go next to the last circle and do the same thing. Ow. Bam, that's it. Wow, looks so nice. That was it. Only took like not even 1 minute, and it didn't cost me anything except for this curtain, which I didn't buy. Hit subscribe.
Fight you tonight.
Ah.
I'm about to fight you tonight.
Ah.
I'm Randy Orton.
Oh my gosh.